Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a drop-down menu on your Shopify store. First things first, we have to log in into our Shopify store as an admin. That should be no surprise to you. So once we do that, we want to go to online store, and then 1, 2, 3, fourth option here is navigation. At the moment I'm using a trial version just to show you everything how it's done, so stay with me. Right here we have menus. We want to focus on this part. Can make it a bit bigger like this and click add menu. For example, once we click there, we need to check for the title. The title would be, for example, home. Right now we want to add menu item. We want to write down home and link or paste a link, home page, and add it. Right now we want to go with, for example, policies. Search or paste a link, pages, blogs, blog post, and policies, just like that. It's 0 results, but as you can see, obviously we are just starting with this site, and we're gonna click add. Okay, just like this. For pages, completely up to you. Just like that. We can edit it and go with contacts. Just like that. And apply changes. And here we just going to save the menu. And that's how easily you can tweak your Shopify store, your Shopify account, exactly the way you want to. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.